to make Turnip's vegan famous Bang Bang sauce. First, we're going to take a spoon and scoop out about 3 tablespoons of vegan mayo. And then we're going to take a little bit of sriracha for the color too. You're going to take just a tiny bit of hot chili oil because then it will be too spicy if you put too much. And then some sweet chili sauce. This will make it a little spicy but also give it a little tinge of sweetness. And now let's mix. Put a little less than 3 tablespoons of mayo because I don't want this much this time, but usually if you have a bigger batch that you need to make,